Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S25 Ultra. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Caudabe Sheath case for the S25 Ultra. I need to give a shout out to Caudabe for sending this case out to me for review. Like we normally do my reviews, we'll make sure everything fits well, make sure everything lines up. Do you get camera protection? Do you also get lip protection on there? How strong is the magnet? Can you wireless charge? The overall fit? Does it add bulk? Just the normal things you look for in a case video. I actually have been using this case for a few days now. That's why it's out the box. So I wanted to use it a little bit, maybe try something different for, this review and actually give y'all my opinions on it after using it for a few days. I will have links in the description. You can get this from their website, so check that out also. If you own the S25 Ultra, y'all let me know what cases y'all rock on a daily basis. Can this replace one of my favorite cases, which is the Madback Elite? We'll find that out. Maybe stay tuned to the channel. Might have to do a new top 10 video. But you gotta love the presentation from Caudabe. It's nice and simple. If y'all want to pause that, you can definitely do so. But you just open it up, and then you have the case comes in there. Nice presentation. It tells you all about the cases in here too. So you gotta give them an A for the presentation. It's not in just a cheap little box there. It's really good. Bam. But here is the case itself. It comes in multiple colors. The one thing they are doing new too is you can change out the buttons. So I got some navy buttons that they sent to me. You just pop them out and then put these in. And just to have a little bit of contrast there. Also, I love the inside. It's like this felt material. If y'all want to pause that, you can definitely do so. But it's like this felt material, doesn't scratch the back of your phone. And the other thing too, y'all, grip. If you are known to drop your phone, then you may want to pick up this case, because this is probably one of the best gripping cases you can get. I know y'all heard that snap too. Look how precise that camera cutout is. You do have some camera protection there, and also lip protection all the way around. Again, I won't slam my phone down, but if you place it, it's going to protect your beautiful display. Everything lines up at the bottom. The pen, it's easy to get out for most part. The only thing you have to worry about is if you don't have nails, it may be a little bit harder. But if you have nails, it's really easy, even without the nails, I should say. Also, everything lines up at the top. The button, the power button was nice and tactile. Same thing with the volume rockers there. Easy to press. The overall fit, I know y'all heard that snap earlier, but the fit is really good on this case too. I know y'all heard it. And then look, there's barely any play around this whole case. Maybe a little bit around the pen area, but not, look. You drop your phone, it's not going to come popping out of this case. Doesn't add bulk to it. So it's definitely not a bulky case. It weighs very minimum. Definitely not bulky at all. And I'm just telling y'all, the grip on this thing is freaking awesome. The magnet is pretty strong too on here too. I've been using it for days, and look at it. It still looks brand new. The magnet is really strong on here. I like rocking it because it almost feels like you don't have a case on there, but you have so much grip on it too. And then the magnet, as you're gonna tell there, it is really strong on there. Like, yeah, it takes some shaking to get that off. All right, so, well, it takes some work to shake this off. So again, the magnet is strong on here. This thing checks a lot of boxes. Let's go over that. The buttons feel great, nice and tactile. You get lip protection. You have camera protection on there. doesn't add bulk, you have a lot of grip, magnet is good, overall fit is good, so it's a solid case that you can get from Caudabe. I love the sheath. I do have a few other cases that I will be reviewing from them. But again, if you want to pick up this case, you can get it from their website. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.